Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can make an image or photo transparent or change the opacity of the image in Microsoft Designer in 2026. So let us get started. So navigate to your Microsoft Designer. You may do that by navigating to microsoft.com, log into your account, and you will see the Designer button in the top left corner of Microsoft amongst these apps. Well, you don't see it here, but usually on your Microsoft account or Outlook account, there's that button with these 9 dots, and click into it and their Designer will be listed there. So here in the editor, guys, what you want to do is navigate to this button here at the top with that small chessboard. And here use that slider to increase the transparency. So as if I move it to, let's say, 85%, the image will be barely visible. You can also increase the opacity to 100%, which is vice versa, 0% transparency. So it's the opposite of it, to make the image clear and 100% visible. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.